Talk to Mama. Boop. Say hi, people. Say what's good, yo. Maybe later. This is my little kicker. All he does is sit here and kick. There he goes. Kicking. That's what he did in my belly. Right? Bing. Talk to the people. Say, what up, bitches? No, don't say that. Say bye-byes. Give us a kick for bye-byes. Thanks. I knew he was good for it. Okay, bye.